I'm gone, nah. Teach you how to make money online from your laptop so that you can quit your job. Now, if you're just starting out and want a simple way to make money online, here's one of the easiest options: selling digital products. This means you get paid for something that you create once, and then it's downloaded by the customer immediately after they pay for it. It's an automated system that will make you passive income in the long term. So what this means is that you are going to create the product once, and then you can sell it multiple times without having to physically ship anything out. You do need to be a pro at anything, and you certainly do need a huge following. If you can use a computer, then you can do this. The best part is, there are no upfront costs. You can use free tools like Canva to create things like planners, checklists, or social media templates. And then you can start selling them on places like Etsy or Gumroad. In fact, people are making thousands a month doing exactly this. This guy makes $4,000 a month with his Etsy shop, where he sells digital stickers. How about these social media templates? They sell for $20 each and have made over $8,000. That's not even the most impressive part. The most impressive part is they only take 3 minutes to make, because it is all just text and they reselling it over and over again. Don't know. It might seem too good to be true, but trust me when I say it's actually not. In fact, if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you an extra bonus way that you can get started today. Now let's move on to the next one. This is another great way to start making money right now, and that is through freelancing. If you're looking for a simple side hustle that doesn't require any special skills, then freelancing is definitely something you should consider. All you need to do is find some basic tasks that you're really good at and that other people are willing to pay for. Think about the kind of small jobs that you could do really quickly, but other people would be willing to pay to have done. A lot of people need help with things like data entry, basic design, or writing. And guess what? There are tons of websites where people are paying for these services, and all you have to do is go on there, sign up, and start working. Two of my favorite places to freelance are Fiverr and Upwork. I've used them personally, and they're both great options. With Fiverr, you can offer your services for as low as $5. So if you're just getting started, this is a great option. As you build up your experience and get more reviews, you can start charging more and more. For example, this person is charging $2,000 for their services. On average, people are making about $59 per order. And keep in mind, this is just a few hours' work. It would have spent a couple days max creating this proposal template, and then it's basically on autopilot. They're just tweaking it and making sure everything's working smoothly. They're getting paid over $2,000 for it. It's incredible. Or how about this? Someone created a gig where they help people upload their products onto Amazon. They're charging $10 for this service, and look at their reviews. It says she is amazing, super fast, and reliable. And they're booking gigs back to back. How about this one? Someone is charging $150 to help people convert their documents into PDFs. People are always looking for help with stuff like this, and you could be the one to provide it. Just remember to put in the work up front. Spend some time perfecting your pitch and making sure your deliverables are top-notch. Once you get those initial reviews and ratings, word will start spreading about your amazing service, and you'll be able to charge higher and higher prices. And the best part is, you can do all of this from your laptop. So now I'm gone. Share with you one of my favorite ways to make money online, and it's affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on the sales you drive. So you get paid for simply sharing links to products you love. It's one of the best ways to make money online because it's super flexible and it's free to get started. All you need to do is find a product you like and join an affiliate program. From there, you'll get a unique link that tracks your traffic, and you can start promoting it. You can share this link in so many ways, like social media posts, YouTube videos, emails, blogs, the list goes on. And every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission.
Oh, nice.
Now, if you want to take things to the next level, I highly recommend checking out an amazing website called Share Sales. It's a super useful tool that lets you see how much money other affiliates are making by promoting the same product you're interested in. You can also check out how they're re-promoting the products and try to come up with new and creative ways to get even more sales. Basically, it's like a mini mastermind with you and successful affiliates already making money. Imagine being able to tap into the strategies of affiliates who are already making commissions and learn from their success. You can do this by going to Share Sales and clicking on the username of the person you want to see how much money they're remaking. Let's take a look at this one. You can see that they're remaking $79 a day and $236 over the last week promoting ClickBank products. Let's see how they're doing it. Oh, they're posting daily on their blog. Make sense? I wonder if we can find their blog. Yeah, right here. So they're posting daily content on their blog and including affiliate links within the content. Actually, they're doing one better than that. They're also putting together a newsletter email list. Even though it's a pretty small list of 5,000 subscribers, they're still able to get over $2,000 a month in commissions. It's pretty insane. Here's another one. They're making $47 a day promoting ClickBank products. What's really interesting about this person is that they have two different niches. They're promoting health and fitness products as well as crypto and finance products. If we go to their profile, we can see that they're getting a ton of traffic from YouTube. They're basically getting people to click on their affiliate links through YouTube videos. The best part is, YouTube is completely free. Anyone can start a channel and start posting videos. But I think this is really the power of building an audience. Not only are they getting a lot of traffic from YouTube, they're also getting a lot of traffic from Google, which means they're ranking in search engines for certain keywords. So anytime someone searches for those keywords, their website pops up, and they're getting a ton of organic traffic. It's really cool. If you want to do something similar, I definitely recommend starting a blog. But you don't have to start a blog to do affiliate marketing. You can start small by posting in Facebook groups. Let's say you find a group with 10,000 members. Even if only 1% of them clicked on your affiliate link and bought the product, you'd make $1,000 in commissions. It's crazy. Just imagine sharing valuable information and helping people find products that they want and getting paid for it. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. And the best part is, it's completely free to get started. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. So if you want to start earning commissions today, I encourage you to check out a website called ClickBank. They're one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces in the world, and they have a wide range of products in almost every niche imaginable. You can sign up for free and start browsing through the different offers and find one that interests you. I just did a quick search for cryptocurrency, and I found all of these different products related to crypto. I mean, they're literally giving away free money right now. If you promote this product and get people to sign up, you're going to earn a whopping 90 commission. That means for every $100 sale you drive, you're going to make $90. It's incredible. And the best thing is there are tons of different products out there that are just waiting for you to promote them and earn commissions. All you have to do is do a quick search on ClickBank, find a product you like, and sign up for an account. From there, you'll get a unique affiliate link that you can start promoting. You can post your link in Facebook groups, on forums, on social media, wherever you think people might be interested in buying that product. And every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. So if you want to start making money online, affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to do it. The best part is, it's completely free to get started. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Of course, a smartphone isn't a bad idea either. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, I recommend you check out this video. I'll see you there.